Warning: roasting garlic will fill your kitchen with the most delicious and irresistible aroma.
Today, we are going to roast garlic. If you love roasted garlic and the taste of roasted garlic, you are going to want to make sure you watch all the way to the end, because I am going to tell you some of the great health benefits as well as the neuroscience behind why garlic is so good for your brain. In addition, I will tell you how you can keep your roasted garlic for up to 2 months. So let's get roasting.
To roast a garlic, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You can roast multiple heads of garlic at the same time. Sometimes if I want to roast a lot of heads of garlic, I will take a muffin pan and roast one head in each muffin tin, or in each well of the muffin tin. First, cut the top off of the garlic. You want to expose the top of each clove of garlic. This allows the olive oil to get down there and also the heat to better penetrate the cloves of garlic. There's a papery outer layer on the head of garlic that you want to peel off. Or once that papery layer is all peeled off of your head of garlic, you are now ready to roast it. I put it on a piece of tin foil. If I'm only roasting a single head of garlic, I like to wrap it in a piece of tin foil. Sprinkle that head of garlic with a little sea salt and some extra virgin olive oil. Wrap it up in the tin foil, and it is now ready to roast. Put it in your 350-degree oven and let it convert that aliin chemical into the nutty, rich, soft, buttery cloves of garlic that roasted garlic is. That makes the roasted garlic so delicious. Check that roasted head of garlic at about 30 minutes and poke one of the center cloves of garlic. If it's soft like butter and the rest of the head is a golden brown color, your garlic is done and ready to enjoy. You can scoop out the cloves of garlic, spread them on a piece of bread, put them in a sauce, saute them with some vegetables, and get creative and enjoy your roasted head of garlic.
Many people consider garlic to be a superfood. A team of researchers at the University of Missouri have been focusing on a chemical found in garlic. This chemical may help us understand better to help prevent diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Now for my SIS Simple is Smart tip on how to store your garlic and make it last for up to 3 months. You can take that roasted garlic, pop it out and put it on a piece of parchment paper, freeze it individually in the freezer, and then take those individual cloves of garlic and put them in a Ziploc bag. Take out what you need whenever you want, and you'll have perfectly roasted, delicious garlic for at least 2 to 3 months. Or if you don't need your garlic to last for such a long time, take it in a jar, pop out those cloves of garlic from the head of garlic, put them in a canning jar, and pour olive oil over it. Make sure you cover all the garlic. This will last for up to 2 to 3 months in your refrigerator. Make sure you keep it in the refrigerator, because if you leave it at room temperature for a few days, you may have botulism growing, and you don't want that. So enjoy your roasted garlic. For more delicious recipes and how to roast your own garlic at home, follow the link below and go to growwithdrjoe.com. Thank you for watching.